Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to follow brands on the Zalando application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this account button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, click on the Your Brands section in the Make It Yours within the Make It Yours section. And here you can see the Add Brands button in the middle of the screen. So click on it in order to follow the brands. So here you have them organized in alphabetical order, but you can also type in the name of the particular brand that you are looking for into the search bar at the top. All you have to do is clicking on the plus follow button on the right side, select as many as you want to, and after that click on the done button down below, and here you will be able to find all of the brands that you are following. If you would like to unfollow any of these, just click on the following button and then they will be removed from this section. Here are some of the suggested brands that you can choose from. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.